Mostly, all of us had played the games with cheat codes. But in online games, why cheat codes are obsolete? Now, to answer this, let's get started. Okay, now before to answer that why online games does not have cheat codes, we have to know that formally why these cheat codes existed. Cheat codes were for developers and playtesters for debugging. Now think about that. If you want to test some specific portion of a game, you will not want to go through the whole levels or story of a game because it can be tedious and time consuming process, especially when game is difficult. So what is solution here? Now if there is some way through which you can get infinite health and unlimited lives, then your job will be a lot easier to check the portion of a game you are trying to build or test. And this is what cheat codes are for. So now as a developer or a playtester, you want cheat codes. But what about as a consumer? Back in the time, alteration to code create risk of breaking it and can provide the path for bugs. Hence the code require more testing, fixing and time. Then instead of making the job more tedious, the good approach is to leave the code as it is. Thus consumer can use cheat codes too, but in different sense than developer. If you're stuck at any portion of a game and getting a hard time to clear it, you can use cheat codes to clear it. By this, your interest remain in the game and enhancement in fun, which increases the replayability and reusability of the game to sustain in trending for long duration of time. And in return, it is very lucrative for the company. Now coming to theme of today's video. Nowadays, tools for making games are more improved and robust and allows to run the test easier in comparison to making the game's cheat code, by which cheat codes become unnecessary for development. And other perspective to see is that internet has changed the way we see the games. Most of the games are online multiplayer games today, and the gamers do not want that while playing the game in online multiplayer he or she should be hindered by the cheat codes used by the player in opposition because it will ruin the fun of the game. Cheat codes are somewhat replaced by the ads or the payment of real money which unlock the special weapon or skins you want in the game. So through this video I hope you have got the idea about cheat codes. And if you remember, tell me in the comment box that which was the last game you had played with cheat codes.